The sum of the ages of a daughter and mother is 56 years. After 4 years, the age of the mother will be 3 times that of the daughter. What is the age of the daughter and the mother respectively? So if the age of the mother is X and age of the daughter is Y, then as per the question, sum of their ages is equal to X plus Y given 56 years. So X plus Y is equal to 56. This is our first equation. From here we can get the value of X. So X is equal to 56 minus Y. Let us consider our equation 2. Now it says after 4 years the age of the mother will be 3 times that of the daughter. So after 4 years age of the mother will be X plus 4 and age of the daughter will be Y plus 4. And as per this question, after 4 years age of the mother X plus 4 is equal to 3 times the age of the daughter. Now from equation 2 we can substitute the value of X here. So X is 56 minus Y plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied to Y is 3Y and 3 multiplied to 4 is 12. This will be 56 plus 4 60 minus Y is equal to 3Y plus 12. Now let's send variables to one side and numbers to one side. So minus y, 3y to left hand side will be minus 3y, 12 minus 60, minus y and minus 3y means minus 4y is equal to 60 minus 12 is 48 and the negative sign it will be minus 48. How we did this? We cannot subtract 60 from 12. So we subtract 12 from 60 and then write the symbol of the larger number. Since 60 is negative, so it will be negative 48. Understand it in this way that you owed someone $60 and you had only $12 to give back. So you are still in debt of $48. Now let's remove 4 from this side. So divide both the sides by 4. So this is called reciprocal action and this is balancing the equation. So we divide both the side by 4. This 4 and this 4 gets cancelled, and if we multiply both the sides by negative sign, then this negative sign also gets cancelled. It will be 12 times 4 48. So y is equal to 12 and y is the age of the daughter. So mother's age will be 56 minus 12 because some of their ages was 56, so 44 years. So this is the age of the daughter, 12 years, and 44 years age of mother. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.